If you want to think about buildings, take your age and divide it by 0.9. So if you are 45 years old, you have spent more than 40 years of your life inside buildings. We spend 90% of our time inside buildings. So building design is incredibly important for how we create well-being for people and planet. At the Velux Group, we are committed to accelerate and lead the change in the built environment. We believe that through building design, you can create well-being for people and planet, connecting what sustains us and connecting to the nature around us. To create the necessary change, we have to work together. It's a matter of partnerships and collaboration in the building industry. To facilitate this, we have initiated the platform for Exchange for Change, called the Built for Life Conference. The conference is a platform where architects, engineers, opinion leaders, designers, leading scientists, and all of you are invited to exchange for change. Why is this conference of particular interest to you as an architect to participate in? Well, architects are change makers. And to quote Joseph Allen from Harvard University, the person who designs your building is more important to your health than your general practitioner. So this says how important it is that you as an architect is the primary change maker to work with changing not only for the sake of the environment, but also for the sake of the people and their well-being. The time to create this necessary change is now. On the backdrop of the recent IPCC report, it's clear that we all have to work together to initiate the necessary change. This is the decade of action. During the Built for Life conference, you will have the opportunity to listen to Mark Watts, who is the CEO of C40. Mark will tell us the highlights from the COP26 conference and about reinventing cities. You will also be able to listen to Joseph Allen, who's a professor at Harvard University, talk about the newest science and research on healthy buildings, and listen to Lydia Murawska, designated an innovator of the Times 100 Most Influential People of 2021. In the end, it's all about architecture, being built. So we will be looking at a cornucopia of cases, architecture from around the world, different scales, typologies, functions, told the stories by the architects themselves to share with you. I am Lone Pfeiffer, architect and director for sustainable buildings at the Velux Group. I'm leading the team, creating the content at the Built for Life conference, and I look forward to seeing you there.